Hello guys, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. We're back with another interesting video. Today we're going to discuss why there is a delay in the final approval for Gigafactory Berlin production and see how Tesla is about to bring the green revolution to Europe. Let's roll! We've heard about the opening of the Tesla Gigafactory in Berlin, Germany. Recent research reveals that more than 33 Model Y crossovers have been produced at Giga Berlin. Due to this, the company has been facing constant problems like protests from environmental groups and bureaucratic red tapes. This caused delays in the construction of the factory, which was scheduled to open in the first few months of 2020. Tesla was all set for the December 2021 opening. Now, what were the hurdles faced by Tesla Gigafactory Berlin which caused a delay in opening, and what are the updates of it? We're going to find out about it in today's video. Stay connected and let's start. Gigafactory Berlin-Brandenburg is Tesla's first most advanced and efficient manufacturing company located in Europe. By the completion of it, it'll manufacture 5,000 to 10,000 Model Y vehicles and millions of battery cells weekly by the end of 2022. The day Tesla CEO announced the building of electric vehicles' fourth Gigafactory near Berlin by the end of 2019, his vision has been viewed by many as an additional pressure and war declared against Germany's top three auto manufacturing groups like BMW, Volkswagen, and Daimler Mercedes brand. Apart from manufacturing the car makers industry in the heart of Europe, Tesla has also shown their local competitors that a huge plant could be built in a short span of period. In 2020, Tesla took over the Toyota Motors to become the most valuable automotive maker in the world. Chief Executive Elon Musk was expecting production to begin as early as November and no later than December, but he didn't know that the decision for approval from German authorities might throw the process to another month. Tesla is struggling to clear its final hurdles and to get its massive German Gigafactory up and running in the new year. The plant has been in development for over the past 2 years, although the investment and employment ratio was also boosted and praised by many. The company was all set to launch it in December 2021, but we've heard of the news that construction has been impacted due to the residents. There is an objection from the local public to Tesla's Gigafactory near Berlin. There is news of the latest dispute by the publication over water pumping facility, as well as disruption to wildlife near the location of the Gigafactory in the region. Elon said the Tesla company would use as little water as possible at the factory and plant more trees in the region. The only electric automaker company requires final approval for the operation, which is still pending from the German government. The environmental groups had needed documents to be submitted by Tesla to obtain an extension of the public commentary period for the project, which delayed approval for the next month. The Ministry of Environment said that Tesla and other entities have yet to deliver all the needed documents for approval. Tesla claims that their launch has been prevented by Germany's red tape, which caused the postponement of starting a Model Y manufacturing by the end of the year, but time is starting to run out. According to the latest report from Germany's Automobile Walsh, approval is still ongoing and expected within days. The U.S. electrical pioneer Tesla will begin series production in its Gigafactory in December, which was originally planned for July 2021, but was delayed due to a lack of environmental permits. It's expected that the approval of the Brandenburg State Office for the Environment would take place in the coming days. Moving on to the production of the most advanced cars and battery cells by Berlin plant. The final debate was held on Monday, 22nd of November, which took a heated tone after Tesla confirmed that besides manufacturing its vehicle unit, it would also build a production plant of battery cells on the same premises. Tesla is planning to invest $5.8 billion in a battery plant with a capacity of 50 gigawatt-hour next to the site. Musk is awaiting a nod from the Environmental Ministry, which is awaiting consultation by a group of local residents protesting towards the site. Meanwhile, Brandenburg agencies have not announced any details to resolve the objections raised by local residents and issue final approval or rejection. Let's see what were the environmental and water supply concerns by local oppositions. Meanwhile, Tesla has faced many hurdles while initiating the project. However, the main concerns were environmental by local residents, which delayed the process of the inauguration of Tesla's project. Over the past 2 years, the factory has been justifiably attacked on the grounds of the habitual destruction of forest areas and local species. The potential issues of water consumption have come to the fore. After getting over 800 objections from residents during a consultation period, the decision of the factory's final approval is now in the hands of Germany's Environment Ministry. Moving towards the trial production activities. The Model Ys are most likely test production units at Giga Berlin as Tesla has not yet received complete approval from Germany's environmental ministry to start manufacturing or delivering vehicles. The rumors by the Teslarati online portal that provides the latest information of trial production activities that have already started at the factory in Berlin. The portal didn't see that several Tesla Model Y units were spotted out of Gigafactory Berlin. There may be a chance that the electric vehicles were just calibrating the production equipment which was set up in the factory for a long time. The Gigafactory Berlin seems to be only a few days or weeks away from its official inauguration. There is no inside news being shared by the company yet on how many vehicles are going to be produced in the German market. Let's now check out the sales volume of Tesla's vehicle. Musk aims to increase the sales volume of electric vehicles to 20 million annually over the next decade. To pursue the growth, in this year, Tesla already started manufacturing the Model Y crossover at its factory located in Austin, Texas. In the fourth quarter of 2021, Tesla sold 308,600 electric vehicles, beating the previous record of single-quarter sales. In the whole year of 2021, Tesla delivered 936,172 vehicles, an increase of 87% as compared to 2020. The closest sales of deliveries have been reported by the CEO Elon Musk's electric car company. Last but not least, outlook of automobile industry. Tesla company is the dominating automobile company in the US and much of the world, but there is an exception of losing overall market share as other brands bring out electric vehicles of their own. For example, Ford stopped taking reservations after receiving 200,000 orders of F-150 Lightning electric pick. Toyota announced to invest $35 billion to manufacture 30 battery electric cars by 2030. And Rivian recently started manufacturing its battery electric vehicles like pickup and SUV. Tesla's electric vehicle demand is expected to rise, which is partly driven by environmental authorities. According to forecasts from AlixPartners, about 24% of new electric vehicles would be sold worldwide by 2030. The innovation would reduce the sales of most gas-powered vehicles, which helps to minimize air pollution from transportation. Moving ahead with the discussion, the public also claims that Tesla recently produced 5 validation of Model Y, its first vehicle to be produced at Gigafactory Berlin, Germany. According to the resources, the Tesla Model Y is not shipped from Giga Shanghai. Even though there's no official confirmation, we can be reasonably sure that by the end of January 2022, the deliveries are set to start. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out more of your favorite content here. Elon has announced earlier in 2019 that the Tesla Gigafactory would be located in Europe. Despite the objections of automotive unions, environmentalists, and Germany's regulator bureaucracy, Musk referred to it as a machine that builds the machines in Berlin, Germany. He aims to produce around 500,000 cars a year and to employ 12,000 people at the plant, although it seems that Gigafactory may still be behind its US-based counterpart. So, do you think Elon Musk will get the approval to kick off the production of the Tesla Gigafactory by the end of January 2022? When do you expect it? Do share your thoughts with us in the comments below.